pressure change method where the reactants and the products completely are in the gaseous phase. How the reaction can be analyzed by a first order kinetics. A question related to this, we can see the gas phase decomposition of dimethyl ether follows first order kinetics. And the equation is given: dimethyl ether in a gaseous state is decomposing to methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, where all three are in the gaseous phase. The reaction is carried out in a constant volume container at 500 degrees and a half life of 14.5 minutes. So I'm going to round off this. Initially, only dimethyl ether is present at a pressure of 0.4 atmosphere. What is the total pressure of the system after 12 minutes? So if I have taken this particular question, we have three things to identify. The first one, the data given to us is the half-life. And the second one which is given to us is initial pressure 0.4 atmosphere. And then we have been given the total time 12 minutes, where what is the total pressure. So the question is, what is the total pressure after 12 minutes? This, taking the data into consideration, let us start solving this question with the equation which is provided to us: CH3O CH3 dimethyl ether, which is gas, giving rise to CH4 gas plus H2, which is also gas, plus, so we have CO, which is also a gas. So this is what we have in the equation given to us. Yes, this is the equation given. Now what is given at time t is equals to 0? So what is given for us? Initial pressure is 0.4 atmosphere. This is given to us. And what was said? At initially we don't have any of the product form, so this will be taken as 0. So initially we have the total pressure is 0.4 atmosphere alone. But after time t is equals to 12 minutes, this is the data given. They are asking you what is the total pressure, where this will convert into 0.4 minus x, and here you will be getting in the ratio of which the gases are present, x, 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 since they are in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. In what stoichiometric coefficient ratios they are? In the same ratio, the x will be formed as the products, such that what is the total pressure over here? The total pressure is equals to sum of all the pressures. So we get 0.4 plus 2x, and this is our question. What is this value? So just identify, this is our question. So to get this particular one, the hint which is there, what is the formula we have? K is equals to 2.303 by T log of Pi by Pi minus x. This is our formula. So using this particular formula, we are going to decide how much is the total pressure left after 12 minutes. So to calculate this particular one, first we need to calculate K. K can be taken as 0.693 by T half, which is equals to 0.693 by 14.5 minutes. So substituting this data, we get the K value. How much will be the answer? We get 0.0478 minute inverse. So we are able to find the K value in the expression. So we got the K value in this. We know the T value in this. So T is given 12 minutes. We know the Pi value. So this is going to be our Pi. So the Pi is known to us. So the only thing we need to know is Pi minus x value. So if I know that particular value, we can get the answer. So let us do this way. K is equals to, we have 0.0478, which is equals to 2.303 by the half-life 14.5 minutes, where you can take this particular one. Sorry, sorry, so 2.303 by 12 minutes, 12 is the total time, so log of the total pi is 0.4 by 0.4 minus x. Now we need to find this one, so substitute everything this side. If you bring log of 0.4 by 0.4 minus x value will be equals to 0.0478 into 12 by 2.303. Approximately this value comes to an answer of, so we get 0.2490. So the anti-log of this one, 0.4 by 0.4 minus x, approximately we get an anti-log value of this is 1.77. So coming to this particular one, 0.4 minus x value will be equals to 0.4 by 1.77, which is closely equals to 0.22, I think 6. Yes. So coming to the x value from this, 0.4 minus 0.226 will be closely coming to an answer 0.17. If I am taking in this particular one 4174, and therefore the total pressure, our final question comes here. What is our final question? What is total pressure? 0.4 plus 2x, and that will be equals to 0.4 plus 2 into 0.174, which is approximately equals to 0.748. So close to this answer, which one can be the close answer to this? You can see the option C. So the option C can be taken as our answer.